Today, my subject is the decline of homeopathic art. Homeopathy is an art of healing known to every homeopathic physician. Every stalwart of homeopathics said that homeopathy is an art and also a science. It will never die. Homeopathic will live long life, never die. Art cannot be died. We homeopath must be follow the art of homeopathy. Selection of remedy totally depend upon the art and how to use that remedy is totally depend upon the science. This science and art of homeopathy is the two side of the same coin. It cannot be separated to each other. Each one is valueless to the each other. So we homeopath must be follow the art and science of homeopathic system of treatment. Disease cause is invisible, subtle and elusive as energy like electricity and magnetism. And any attempt to bring it under the name of the sense, the microscope or the other laboratory investigation or instrument is bound to result of in failure. It lies in countless number of people who attend our hospital and clinic and are either to told that if pathological symptoms are not developed, that there is nothing wrong with them. When they know quite well that there is or that they are incurable, when they feel instinctively and something could and should be done for them and they find themselves greatly, gradually worse, their faith in the doctors declined. We must notice three things. Number one, instruments are all aids to diagnose. They tell us what the morbid condition has developed. But they do not tell us why it has developed. What is the cause of the troubles? And until we know the cause, we cannot easily to find a cure. Next is a surgery. This may be necessary when the tissue is completely destroyed or so damaged that recovery is hopeless. But obviously, it has not touched the root of the cause. The result of the surgery is free the disease from the point where the body has localized it. Next thought is the wonder drugs which kills the bacteria only deals with the end product of the disease. They are inimical to all life, including the human cells, and often have terrible toxic effect to the man. The art of homeopathy is the case taking. So every homeopath must be try to know the case taking, and case taking is the main things for every homeopathic physician. So during the case taking, first of all, we collect the symptoms from the patient. And these symptoms is general symptoms, particular symptoms, and the common symptoms. These general symptoms comes in the mental general and the physical general. In the mental general, there is desire, aversion, dreams, and nature of the patient. Physical general, the patient is chilly or hot, the position of sleep, relation with the season. This comes in the physical general. Without physical general, mental general, and other symptoms is also comes during the case taking, and that is the history of the patient, past history of the patient, family history of the patient. By all conclusion, we draw a picture of the proper remedy which will be given to the patient. If we not follow this art, we never cure any chronic disease. When you are going to deal with a chronic disease or acute disease, you never think what pathological changes occurs. You only think what symptoms is appear. This time, you diagnose your remedy only on the symptomatic changes. And unlucky homeopath is those which only thinks the pathological changes during the case taking. If you take the pathological changes only, you can only palliate the case, never cure the case. The simple fact is that the remedy having the symptoms corresponding to the symptoms of the patient cure him. No matter what the pathology were, a cure is art the possible, one of the greatest discover of science investigation, long live name of Dr. Hahnemann, the discoverer. All the laboratory investigation is the secondary part of the disease. It is not the cause of the disease, but it is the result of the disease. So you search the cause of the disease, then result of the disease, it will self go out by the selected of the remedy to the prescribed and to the patient. Patient will say, I am better than before, or I am very fine. So the conclusion is that a good case taking means half cure of the patient, and proper selection of the good remedy means full cure of the patient, and cure of the patient means highlighted to the homeopathic science. And if homeopathic highlighted, then Dr. Hahnemann will self alive in the heart of the every homeopath. Thanks.